Stephen Ellis, manager of fuel cell marketing for Honda Motor Company, shows us how to gas up on hydrogen in 3 to 5 minutes at the brand new Shell hydrogen station in Torrance, California.
So I just put in a pin number. It says pressurizing hose. It tells me to attach the nozzle. Hook that on there.
It's just pop right in. You don't have
Slipped
to adjust
on.
it like a natural gas car.
This rotates. So if, let's say, you don't have to twist this to get it out of the way. And for fuel doors, whether they open this way, now you can put this so it's out of the way and you don't bust your knuckles.
Okay.
So that's all improvements that have been made on these nozzles.
Right. So once you pop it on and it switches on, it's going to
It
fuel.
automatically starts.
You don't have to.
It actually senses the connection.
We were hearing earlier about some of the safety measures in case there was leakage or anything going on. There's basically like onboard computer and the systems integrated and communicating about anything for an emergency. How does that work?
Well, first of all, no different than if you let the air out of your tires. You hear it, it's audible.
Right.
If there was a leak, you'd hear it.
Okay.
It's kind of that simple. This does what's called a hose check halfway through, just to confirm the integrity of everything. If it saw a quick difference in the flow rate, it would automatically shut down because it knows something's wrong.
And generally this is about, what, 4 or 5 minute gas up time?
3 to 5, yeah, depending on the tank. So this was about, I think about half full. So, we'll see. It'll tell us when it's done.
Are customers going to have cards like they would for gas stations?
PIN number, and eventually it'll be credit card swipe and filling. So, my history with this is back with CNG, when every CNG station was a proprietary card.
Right.
And at one time your wallet was this thick because you needed to carry like 6 or 8 different cards. Well, I was the one that pounded the table and said, we have to get the credit card. We have to make this retail friendly and normal like that. And all of a sudden, you had all these arguments for and against and everything else. Well, that hurdle's been crossed. So you go to a CNG station today, swipe your credit card, and if it's never seen it before, it walks you through a training sequence.
Right.
And that trains you, and you say yes, you get your PIN, and you fill your car. Now you just memorize that PIN and you're good to go.
Yeah.
So that's where we need to get with this. And that'll come tomorrow, literally.